She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Risa y Paz. Today I just came to give you all an update. I know it's been a while, but I just wanted to come back on here, let you guys know what's been going on. You already know from the title of this video what we're going to be talking about today, so I'm just going to show you. So this time around, I am going to be getting my hair straightened. I'm going to get a silk press. I'm going to a beautician, and I have my hair in this wash and go because I just want to capture what the curls are looking like beforehand, so that, you know, when I come back and wash my hair out of this flat iron, I'm going to see.
Hopefully all of these curls will be back. So that's what we're
Is that okay? So I already have some places in my hair with like a looser curl, and I'm trying to document this so that I'm not thinking that it's heat damage by the time that I wash my hair out. Okay, so let me show you guys. It is, you see those strands right up here? It's like, oh, there it is. It's like right around this area. Yeah. All in this front. My front has always been pretty much so like a looser texture. You know, some of these could probably just be clipped ends over there. What else? I don't think I have too many areas over here. So yeah, that's what it is. We not worried over here. We not worried. So I'm just going to show you all some clips of what my hair is looking like and where I noticed the most. I just have leave-in conditioner in my hair right now, as you can see. Okay, so we got some, I'll get to the front. We got some straight ends, right? So it's not too bad on my ends. I'll show you guys the back. I don't think it's too bad in the back either. There are some strands here and there that you can see, you know, like a looser curl pattern, that it wasn't always that way before. This is definitely one of those areas where it's super loose at the root. And then in the back, it's not so bad. So this is another spot. I hope that you guys can see the difference here. So it's super straight kind of at the beginning, and then it gets a bit more, you know, kinky. Again, this is another piece where it's more straight at the beginning. You can see that one pretty clear. So in the front, it's very, very obvious. You guys can already see those strands. My poor hair. So this is clear heat damage. And then right here, the ends, or I'm sorry, around my edges, again, there's some clear heat damage. You can see where my hair is straight at. Oh yeah, some of the little baby hairs got it on the ends, like right in the front. These not really baby hairs, just my edges. I think I showed you guys this piece in the other video, but like for me to have had a fresh trim, some of my ends that are still straight, you know, I know that she cut enough off to get like any damaged ends that I had before. So I think that it's just a matter of a little bit more damage. I think there's another piece back here. Yep, you see it? It's like bouncing out. Yeah, there it is. I will say, you know, it's a little disappointing because I've tried to avoid, you know, anything that would cause heat damage and be really careful about it. But you can't always avoid everything. I think that's one thing that I learned. She was very receptive though. The stylist was very receptive to feedback and just like helping me figure out, you know, what it was that could have caused the heat damage. I think that it was probably from the multiple runs at the root that could have caused the heat damage. But like, yeah, you can see some straight pieces there. And yeah, guys, that's what it is. So I'm on the road to recovery. I have been doing deep conditioning treatments. I used Mono's Hair's curl restoring treatment. So the idea was to be able to do some deep conditioning treatments over a period of time. I've been probably doing them for about a month, and then I kind of started to alternate some of my protein moisture balance treatments, like the Shea Moisture's Manuka Honey Deep Conditioner. And also I'm going to try out the Olaplex treatment, but I just wanted to give you all an update where my hair was at, where the progress of it was, and what it's looking like today. One thing that I will say, you know, I learned my lesson going to get my hair straightened and seeing how much she had to chop off. I recognized that incorporating some regular trims in my hair is going to be super important for me. So I am planning to go next month, and it'll be about 4 months. So every 4 months or so, I'm going to plan to get my ends trimmed, just to make sure that I'm able to retain the length that I'm growing, so that I'm not holding on to damaged ends and, you know, it splitting further up. Even though I don't manipulate my hair a lot in, like, you know, different styles that will damage my curls, I still want to be mindful of keeping my ends trimmed, keeping them clean, especially as I've been wearing wash and goes more frequently. I've worn one protective style, and that's something that I want to continue to incorporate, of course. I always need a break. Yeah, guys, this is where we are. Got some work to do. Anyways, let me know if you guys have experienced this. So stay tuned for my journey with the Olaplex. You already know what it is. So we coming back stronger, better than ever. I'm about to do a wash and go. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. Be sure to comment below. Let me know if this has happened to you. How did you restore your curls? What did you do? I hope you guys are enjoying your year so far, and I'll see you all in my next video. Deuces.